Today we're very pleased to offer this 24 plate recently registered Vauxhall Combo L2H1 Prime Edition. It's a 1.5 turbo diesel 100 PS 6-speed. We'll walk you down the driver's side of the vehicle first. I'll just take you into the all important work area. You'll see there rear sensors, one of the options this vehicle has, along with the sat nav. Okay, all important dimensions: just over 7 foot maximum load length and just over 4 foot maximum load height. As you probably see, it's also got twin side loading doors for user access. Clothes come out of there, take down the near side. So I mentioned twin side loading doors. Just take it to the near side front as well. Everything as new as it should be. We'll come out to the driver's side in a minute and just talk you through some of the goodies the van has. See there, daytime blue lights. Let's just jump in the cabin, just talk you through some of the bits. So we've got electric windows, electric heated adjustable door mirrors. You see there, everything in tip-top condition it should be. 2 keys to the vehicle, auto lights. Come to the centre display. I've just got my phone plugged in there just to show you the apps and podcasts and whatever you can put on yourself, on your own stuff. I'll take that out and back to the vehicle's main menu. We'll go into the sat nav, or Bluetooth and DAB radio. As you work our way down, we've got air conditioning. As I mentioned, 6-speed manual gearbox, all cruise control. You can see there on the trip computer, we've got a full 2 miles on the clock. So the vehicle will come with the balance of the Vauxhall nationwide manufacturer's warranty, and we do offer nationwide delivery. Okay, let's just have one more look at the vehicle. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, you can ring myself, Tom, running the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thomsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.